Custom window installation in Washington, D.C. is a service that caters to homeowners seeking personalized solutions for their window needs. Whether you're interested in energy-efficient windows or specialty glass windows, our Specialty Windows Washington, D.C. team provides top-notch window replacement services to enhance your home's aesthetic and functionality. Energy-efficient windows in D.C. are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our selection includes double-hung windows, casement windows, and vinyl windows, all designed to minimize heat loss and maximize energy savings. Choose from a variety of styles to suit your home's architecture. Window replacement services in Washington, D.C. offer a wide range of options, including wood windows, aluminum windows, and custom window treatments. Our experts provide window design consultation to help you select the perfect windows for your home, ensuring both beauty and efficiency. Specialty windows. Washington, D.C. are perfect for homeowners looking to add a unique touch to their homes. From bay window installation to arched windows, our team can create custom designs that reflect your personal style and enhance your home's curb appeal. Double-hung windows in Washington are a popular choice for their classic look and ease of use. These windows offer excellent ventilation and are available in various materials, including wood and vinyl, to match your home's design. Bay window installation in D.C. can transform any room by adding space, light, and a stunning view. Our skilled installers ensure a seamless fit and finish, enhancing both the interior and exterior of your home. Casement windows in Washington, D.C. provide a modern look with their sleek design and easy operation. These windows are ideal for maximizing airflow and are available in energy-efficient options to help reduce your utility bills. Window replacement services in Washington, D.C. are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Our team can address issues such as broken glass, faulty hardware, and poor insulation, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Vinyl windows in D.C. are a durable and cost-effective option for homeowners. These windows offer excellent insulation and are available in a variety of styles and colors to complement any home design. Wood windows in Washington, D.C. provide a timeless and elegant look that enhances any home's character. Our selection includes various finishes and styles, allowing you to customize your windows to match your home's aesthetic. Aluminum specialty windows. Washington, D.C. are known for their strength and durability. These windows are ideal for modern homes and are available in energy-efficient options to help reduce heating and cooling costs. Window design consultation in Washington, D.C. helps homeowners make informed decisions about their window choices. Our experts provide guidance on style, material, and energy efficiency, ensuring you select the best windows for your needs. Storm windows in Washington are essential for protecting your home from harsh weather conditions. Our selection includes various styles and materials, providing an extra layer of defense against wind, rain, and debris. Skylight installation in D.C. can brighten any room by bringing in natural light from above. Our team ensures a precise fit and finish, enhancing your home's interior while improving energy efficiency.